Let's head over to the Palm Ridge Magistrates Court now with the trial against former police sergeant Nomia Ndlovu continues. Ndlovu is accused of being involved in the murder of her family members, but she's also caught on camera plotting the murder of her sister and her children. The state alleges that Ndlovu took out insurance policies before orchestrating their murders. eNCA reporter Lindokuhle Xulu has been following the story and joins us now. Lindo, good morning to you. I mean, what can be expected today in court, especially after, what we've seen these past couple of days with the serial murder accused?
Well, Nomia Ndlovu is expected to be back in the witness stand just to table her evidence in terms of being a witness from the defense about what is it exactly that she says, what will she explain in terms of her denying each and every involvement in terms of the murders of her family members, 5 family members and her lover, who makes the tally 6. But I can tell you that yesterday Nomia Ndlovu was on the stand and she was just trying to explain how she spent the last days with each and every one of the deceased, but she then claims that she did not take their lives. Also, how she had opened up policies, allegedly, that is the allegations from the state, saying that she opened up policies and she benefited thereafter when these family members passed away in a manner that, of course, is questionable as far as the state is concerned, because some of them were found being killed. Her boyfriend, Morris Mabasa, was found just outside Olifantsfontein, having been stabbed about 80 times. So she has been speaking one by one, trying to explain herself as to why she had spent the last couple of days with each and every victim, but at this stage says that she has not had any involvement. The first day when she was on the stand, they spent a lot of time speaking about how she had plotted and revealing that video, the evidence of the video footage from the sting operation where she was caught on the cell phone footage, basically saying that she prefers if her sister as well as 5 children could be banned, because of saying that when you have banned victims, the policies pay out much quicker than when you would have a stabbing or a shooting, which would then involve a lot of investigation. But we're expecting today that she will be back on the stand. There was a bit of consideration from the judge to say that perhaps she should stand down because of how she needs to go through each and every person in terms of her involvement and the allegations leveled against her. The judge did suggest that perhaps it would be good for her to actually stand down and allow 2 other defense witnesses, which we understand one of them is her brother and the other one is her mother, who was allegedly another target of hers. But those considerations, a judgment will be made this morning, where the judge will then tell us whether he will want or allow Nomia to actually step down so that the 2 other witnesses can testify and then continues. But one other thing that is left, of course, in this lengthy testimony led by her defense counsel of Nomia Ndlovu, is that the state also still needs to cross-examine her in terms of the information that is put forth. So certainly some of the things we are looking forward to is that judgment by the judge to say whether she should stand down and allow other defense witnesses to come to the stand, or whether she will continue with her lengthy testimony in terms of how she wants to actually explain herself out of the allegations that have been leveled against her in terms of having a hand and in other instances actually carrying out the deaths of her family members as well as her boyfriend Morris Mabasa.
All right, we'll leave it there, Lindokuhle Xulu, as we expect, of course, that appearance to occur today at the Palm Ridge Magistrates Court. Thank you so much, eNCA's Lindokuhle Xulu.